Your AC condensate drain line keeps water flowing safely. It removes moisture collected during cooling and carries it away. Clicks prevents water leaks. Clicks protects ceilings and walls. Clicks helps reduce mold growth. Keeps system draining properly. Keeps system draining properly. A clogged condensate drain line can cause water damage. Common signs of issues include water around indoor units or stains on ceilings. Regular maintenance keeps the line clear and water flowing properly. Small line, big protection. Don't ignore your AC condensate drain line. From Uptown Heating and Air Conditioning,